Standing here today in front of God, our apostle, and our family, I feel so much love from the people around us, but especially God. I prayed for you, and God really did his thing. From the very first moment I met you, I felt your love. Even now, I can say your love never changed. You have shaped me into a woman I am today. Stronger, beautiful, confident, just because of your love, patience, and support. Sorry, I can't get these shoes. Sorry, let me fix my makeup.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Take your time.
I stand before you today so thankful for the years we have shared. You have been my rock, and a safe space always shows up for me no matter what, and I mean that. I promise to honor you just as you have honored me. I will submit to you, not because of its obligations, just because of reflection of a deep trust, respect, and love I have for you. I will follow you because I know you lead with wisdom, compassion, and a heart full of love. In this moment, with God's presence here with us, I have no doubt you are the true love of my life. This is the beginning of forever, and I couldn't be more certain that I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. I could say so many words now, but let me keep it short. This is a one-way ticket. I hope you know that. I'm all in, and I love you.
Naomi, from the moment we met, I knew my life changed in the most beautiful way. You've been my partner in faith, my greatest supporter, and the love I never dreamed I deserved. Your grace, kindness, and unwavering belief in us have shown me the true meaning of commitment. Today, in front of God, our families, and friends, I promise to cherish and honor you all the days of my life. I vow to listen, to learn, and to grow with you, celebrating our joys and overcoming any challenges together. I will always strive to be the husband you deserve, leading you with love, integrity, and patience. You are my greatest blessing and my forever home. With you, I have found the truest sense of purpose and joy, and I promise to love you deeply and faithfully for as long as we both shall live.
Bagiye kwambikana impeta, going to exchange their rings. Amashimeshi yewe Apostle Mignon,
me, Apostle Mignon,
hamwe no guhamagarwa n'Imana,
with the calling of God
no gusengerwa n'abakuru,
and the ordaining of the great elders,
no kubiherebwa ubushobozi,
and to be given authority.
yanemeje ko Michael,
I bless that Michael,
transferred na Naomi ishimwe babaye umugabo n'umugore, kandi icyo Imana yahuje nta muntu n'umwe baba bakomeye cyangwa boroheje bashobora kugitandukanya. Mu izina rya Yesu Kristo bazabana, kandi amaraso ya Yesu Kristo atwikira urushako rwabo. Mu izina rya Yesu, amen.
You've always been there for me, no matter what. You were there for me, so I'll always be here for you. Thank you so much.